All right, so from Rapid Identity, you can just log in as me. All my computer login stuff is in the subfolder on a post-it note right on the pocket. And then you'll just click on Benchmark Universe, log in with Clever. And if you're signed in as me, all this will just pop up for you already. And then you want to go to Benchmark Readers Workshop. And then I usually just filter it to 3rd grade. Right now we're on Unit 3. Here is the Teacher's Edition, and here is the Student Edition. So if we open the Student Edition, and then you click on this little arrow, you can jump to the story that we're on. So this week we are on this one. And then this is how you can display it on the smartboard for the students. You can also click play here and it'll read the story to the class. It's a little robot, but it does. Anyway, and then I just use the teacher's manual, the hard copy spiral bound one, to see like what notes to make in the margins. And then I put that on the smartboard and the kids copy it down in their own mentor text. And then if we go back to the library here, and if you open up the teacher's edition, I usually have both of these open when I'm going over the mini lessons. And then this week we are in week 2. So day 1 of week 2, you're doing both day 1 and day 2 today because it's a short week. And so here's the skill, and it has the notes and stuff. But like I said, I usually just use the physical manual, except for this. I just pull up the anchor chart on here. I don't know why that's so big, but I just pull it up and talk about it with the class using the digital version. So and then I flip back to the story and we make more notes. So that's how I do the mini lessons. You can certainly do it on however you'd like, but at least you know now how to pull up the digital version. Have a great day. Thanks.